12 Habits Keeping You Poor. Spending more than you earn. This is the number one habit that keeps people poor. If you spend more money than you earn, you will never be able to save or invest for the future. Not budgeting. If you don't know where your money is going, it's hard to control your spending. You need to create a budget and stick to it if you want to build wealth. Paying high interest rates. If you're carrying credit card debt or other high interest loans, you're throwing away money. Try to pay off high interest debt as quickly as possible. Not saving for emergencies. Unexpected expenses can throw a wrench into your finances. It's important to have an emergency fund to cover these types of expenses. Neglecting retirement savings. If you're not saving for retirement, you'll be working well into your golden years. Start saving for retirement as early as possible. Impulsive spending. Buying things on a whim can be tempting, but it's a surefire way to drain your bank account. Instead, stick to your budget and plan your purchases in advance. Living beyond your means. If you're constantly trying to keep up with the Joneses, you'll never have enough money. Learn to live within your means and be content with what you have. Not investing. Saving money is important, but investing is how you make your money work for you. Start investing in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate to grow your wealth. Failing to negotiate. Whether it's your salary or the price of a car, negotiation is key to getting the best deal. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Lack of financial education. If you don't understand how money works, you're more likely to make mistakes that will keep you poor. Educate yourself about personal finance. Bad credit habits, late payments, defaults, and high credit card balances can all hurt your credit score, making it harder to get loans and credit cards with favorable terms. Not prioritizing your financial goals. If you don't have a clear idea of what you want to achieve financially, you're unlikely to make progress. Identify your goals and create a plan to achieve them.